In this video, I am going to find the projection of a vector onto another vector. We have two vectors, vector A and vector B. Then we need to find the projection of vector B onto vector A. Now let me just sketch the scenario. This is how it's going to look like. So this is just a sketch. Don't expect it to be accurate, exact. So this is my vector A and this is my vector B. Now to find the projection of B onto A along the direction of A, we have to draw a perpendicular line, and this is going to be the projection of B along the vector A. Now solution to this problem is very straightforward. Projection of a vector along another vector is given by this formula. So A dotted with B, we are finding the projection of B along vector A divided by magnitude of A. That's what it is. Now the rest is pretty straightforward. What we are going to do, we are going to do the following. Find the A dotted with B. So is going to be 1, the coefficient of I hat, which is 1, and coefficient of I hat here 0.3, so I mean square root of 3. So 1 times square root of 3. Similarly, we do it for j hat, 1 times 3, that plus 1 times k hat, the coefficient is negative 2. Then I divide it all by the magnitude of vector A, which by the way is going to be just 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Look, this is just I, j and k. The coefficients are 1, 1 and 1. And as you know, this is the formula we use. Basically square the coefficients, add them and take the square root. Now if I simplify it, it's nothing more than square root of 3 in the bottom, because this is 1, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now on the top I'm going to have 1 times square root of 3, which is going to give me square root of 3, plus 3 times 1 is 3, then minus 2, which is nothing more than 1 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 3. Now if you'd like to simplify it further, you could do it, which is this. I could just multiply both top and bottom by square root of 3. So 1 plus square root of 3 times square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 times square root of 3. I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3. Why did I do that? So that I can just get a rational number in the bottom. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 in the denominator is going to be square root of 9, but square root of 9 is 3. Then on the top, if I use the distributive property, is going to be square root of 3 plus, so 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3 plus square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9, which is just 3. And I can simplify it further. It's going to be 3 over 3 plus square root of 3 over 3, but 3 over 3 is 1, so 1 plus square root of 3 over 3. So that would be your answer. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.